Welcome back to my channel. I'm a Notion recommended creator, and today I will share my personal Notion dashboard that I use as a designer for my freelance projects. You will find the link of the template in the description below. So let's begin. Once you open the template, you will get a space where you can add your personal details like your image, your Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn profile, and your task list. The dashboard is packed with many features and resources that will help you as a designer, like a portfolio and brief template. You will find several of these features on the left. We will come back to this section later. Right next to it, you will find a database that will help you track approved briefs, working file, contact details of your clients, rate, invoice, deadline, and other details of your current projects. Once the goal of your project is set, you can use the production workflow to track the status of your project. You also get a color palette widget on the right. This will help you pick the best color combination for your projects. At the bottom, you have a dedicated space to manage your network and track your cold emails and direct messages. Now, let's go to the navigation section that we previously talked about. You will see a lot of pages dedicated to different tasks. Let's take a look at them. I have added a brief template that you can share with your client. This will help you understand your client's expectations with clarity. You also get a space to write the draft of your cold emails and DMs for your network outreach. You can customize the details for different clients. You also get a database to track your taxes per project, along with an invoice template. Next, you get a rate chart where you can note your rates according to your experience and the market value of your services. The next template is a lifesaver. The terms and conditions template is ready to be shared with your clients with highlighted space for personal details. Do not forget to compile your published work in the portfolio template. This way, you're always ready to share your latest work with your dream client. I recommend that you ask for testimonials immediately after completing your project. This increases your credibility and value as a designer. You can compile them in this page. I have also added a page where you can add designs that inspire you and help you get better at your work. Now here comes the best part. I have added a gallery dedicated to design tools that will help you find the best font, logo inspirations, free editing software, and a lot more. And that's the end of this walkthrough. Thank you for sticking till the end of this video. I hope you find it helpful, and you can find the link of this dashboard in the description below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Bye!